Hi, this is Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Today on our 1930s evening gown, I'm going to be repairing some of these seam pops. It seems like somebody that was about 2 sizes too big for the dress squeezed into it and popped all the seams. You see this a lot if you're trying on clothes in retail. I see it a lot. It's like people don't even care. They just cram in and they destroy the garment and they don't bother to tell anybody or anything. On this one, it's obvious where the stress was. Someone put it on and they had too big of waist measurements and blew these seams out right here. The rip down here was probably just could have been from age, or it could have been someone's foot got caught in it, which is probably what happened while they were trying it on. So I'm going to sew those up, and it looks like to me like the whole front of the garment, the stitches are starting to come out. So I'm probably going to turn the whole thing inside out and do this whole seam. And while I'm doing it, I'm going to check the back seams. It seems like some of them are also coming out. So I might be doing some extensive repairs. That might mean that this video might be pretty just fast motion, and I might just stick it in with another video. I also have the bows with the little rhinestone like buckles to put back on. And so maybe this will be a mishmash video. It might be mostly sped up a little bit, just maybe even to music, just so you can see me doing these repairs. After I finish all the pops and the runching and put the ornamentation back on, the embellishments back on, it should be almost done. So my daughter tried it on and it fits her just about perfect. She'll model it for us after we get it all together. So I'm going to just do some sewing. Might be some different views, and I might move it around. This might be over a series of days too, since I plan on it's not going to be really entertaining. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking. I'm just going to be repairing and sewing. So it might just be me quickly over the course of however many days it takes, but you might get to see it quickly. So we'll see we'll see what happens when I get to the editing stage.